Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're gonna get a complete guide of recording a video, creating a scene, adding the sources, locking it, cropping it, or creating a uh, gameplay, selecting a specific screen to record everything in it. So make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So first thing, in order to record the screen, first you have to configure the recording option. So just go to the general, then go to output. Over here, you'll see streaming and recording. So first, make sure you have the right recording path, the right recording settings for me like this. And then after that, you just have to set up the hotkeys to start recording. Like for me, it's Alt plus D. Now, once it's been done, you have to create a scene. Now just go to here, click on add scene on the main screen, and then you will see this option like sources. In the sources, whatever you add, for example, like essentials are game capture, it will capture a game like I have already turned it on. I just have hide it. So if I go ahead and unhide it and move this layer to the top, you will see that there is a game going on in the background like this. So it's pretty simple to configure and show it because it's all about the layers and how it works. So let me just move this layer on the top. Now you guys can see that I have chopped up 80 pixels from the top and 80 pixels from the bottom. It shows like this. The game is in the background. When I go ahead and hide it, it will hide it. And either way, I can lock and unlock the source from it. So if you guys want to add any sort of display capture like show a monitor or something like that, you guys can do it from here. If you guys want to add a webcam, you guys can do it from here. Any audio source, you guys can do it from here. Any media or the widgets that you guys want to show, all are over here. So now let's move towards how to show a specific screen. So this is the display capture. I'm just going to go ahead, go to the settings. Over here, you will see that I'm using capturing method. I have set it to automatic and it's showing the complete screen. Now I will add a source and I will add us, you know, I want to capture a screen, but a specific one. So let's go towards game capture. Now, so when you go ahead and click on game capture, add it as a new source, and here you'll see that I'm looking for a game. So either you guys can click on it and capture any full screen application, capture a specific window, go ahead and select that. And from here, you guys can see I can select any of the files that I want to. I can select any of the screen that I want to, and then I can simply put it at the close. Now, if I go over there and move that on the top, you will see that it shows it on the top. So that way the screen will be visible and everything will work in a smooth manner. So I hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.